In today's fast-paced world, keeping your home spotless can be a challenge. Between work, family, and social life, there's little time left for daily cleaning tasks. That's where this iRobot Roomba 675 robot vacuum steps in to make your life easier. With its advanced technology and user-friendly features, this robot vacuum has become a must-have for anyone seeking a hassle-free cleaning experience. Let's dive into why the Roomba 675 is the ideal cleaning companion for your home. The first thing that sets the iRobot Roomba 675 apart from traditional vacuums is its smart navigation system. Equipped with a full suite of intelligent sensors, this robot vacuum moves seamlessly through your home, cleaning in neat, methodical rows. It doesn't just clean randomly. Roomba is designed to get into those hard-to-reach spots, like under furniture and around tight corners where dirt and dust love to hide. Whether you have carpet, hardwood, or tile floors, Roomba's multi-surface cleaning capabilities ensure that every inch of your home is left spotless. With its auto-adjust cleaning head, the Roomba 675 automatically adapts to different floor heights, making it perfect for homes with multiple types of flooring. 3-stage cleaning system, powerful suction for every surface. At the heart of the Roomba 675's performance is its 3-stage cleaning system. This patented system is engineered to loosen, lift, and suction dirt from your floors. The combination of dual multi-surface brushes powerlifting suction makes it incredibly effective at picking up both small particles like dust and larger debris such as pet hair and crumbs. The 3-stage cleaning system works like this. 1. Loosen. The brushes loosen dirt and debris from the surface of your floor. 2. Lift. The vacuum's powerful suction lifts the dirt and debris off the floor. 3. Suction. Finally, the Roomba suctions everything into its 0.6-liter dustbin. This system is designed to be effective on a wide range of surfaces, making it perfect for homes with both carpets and hard floors. The Roomba 675 can handle any mess, whether it's spilled cereal in the kitchen or dust collecting in your living room. One of the most convenient features of the iRobot Roomba 675 is its compatibility with the iRobot Home app. This app allows you to clean and schedule your Roomba from anywhere. Whether you're at work, running errands, or even on vacation, you can start, stop, or schedule your Roomba with just a few taps on your smartphone. The app is incredibly user-friendly and works seamlessly with both Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. That means you can use voice commands to start your Roomba. Just say, "Alexa, ask Roomba to start cleaning," and you're good to go. With the app, you can also receive status updates, cleaning reports, and even troubleshoot your vacuum if necessary. Imagine coming home after a long day to a freshly cleaned home. All thanks to the iRobot Roomba 675. One of the many reasons people love the iRobot Roomba 675 is its self-charging capability. After the vacuum finishes cleaning, or if its battery gets low, it automatically returns to its docking station to recharge. You don't have to worry about manually charging it or finding it dead in the middle of your floor. If you're a pet owner, you know how challenging it can be to keep up with pet hair and dander. The iRobot Roomba 675 is designed with pet owners in mind. Its dual multi-surface brushes are perfect for picking up pet hair from both carpets and hard floors. The powerful suction and efficient cleaning system ensure that all the fur, dirt, and dander are thoroughly removed, leaving your home fresh and clean. Why choose the iRobot Roomba 675? There are countless reasons to choose the iRobot Roomba 675 for your home. Here are some of the key benefits. Smart navigation. The Roomba cleans in neat rows and reaches under furniture, ensuring thorough cleaning in every corner of your home. Powerful suction. The 3-stage cleaning system is designed to pick up both small and large debris with ease. Multi-surface cleaning. Whether you have carpet, hardwood, or tile, Roomba can handle it all. Remote control. With the iRobot Home app, you can schedule cleanings and control your Roomba from anywhere. Voice control. Compatible with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant, you can start your Roomba with just your voice. Self-charging. The Roomba 675 automatically returns to its docking station to recharge after cleaning. With all these features, the iRobot Roomba 675 offers the ultimate cleaning convenience, making it a valuable addition to any household. Is it worth it? The short answer? Absolutely. The iRobot Roomba 675 is an investment in convenience and efficiency. If you're tired of spending hours vacuuming your home, or you simply don't have the time to keep up with regular cleaning, this robot vacuum will save you time and effort. Its smart technology, powerful cleaning system, and ease of use make it well worth the investment. Plus, with its ability to clean while you're away, you'll return to a spotless home without lifting a finger. Whether you're a busy professional, a parent, or a pet owner, the Roomba 675 will make your life easier and your home cleaner. Conclusion: if you're looking for a reliable, smart, and efficient cleaning solution, the iRobot Roomba 675 is the perfect choice. With its smart navigation, powerful suction, and app-based control, it takes the hassle out of keeping your floors clean. Whether you have pets, kids, or just a busy lifestyle, the Roomba 675 will become your go-to cleaning tool. Don't miss out on the opportunity to bring the future of home cleaning into your life. Upgrade your cleaning routine today with the iRobot Roomba 675. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.